Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use our HappyVinyl from the Deluxe range. I've already cut my design out on the Silhouette Cameo, and now I'm going to weed away my design. Just be sure to get rid of all of those little bits in between your design. And now I'm going to be adding Happy Mask over the top to transfer our design onto our project. So simply cut out the Happy Mask to cover the design. This is one that I have used earlier, so always keep your leftovers, as you can always reuse it. Just give that a good smooth. I have got a squeegee here, so I'll use that. And then you can cut out your design in your guided box. Pop your vinyl and your Happy Mask to one side. And then once that's all been smoothed down, you can simply peel away the Happy Mask, and that will have your design on, ready to stick onto your project. So I'm just going to stick that onto here. I'm going to pop some little stars up in the corner too. Like that. And then you simply peel away the Happy Mask and it will leave your design wherever you've stuck it. And then we can simply add a little photo to hold all of your special memories.